In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Revolut business account for non-UK. Before we start, make sure you have a stable internet connection and your business documents handy, like your company registration details and a valid photo ID. This will make the process smoother. Begin by opening your web browser and searching for Revolut Business. Always choose the official Revolut website to avoid phishing pages. Once you're on the site, look for the option to create an account and select it. When prompted, choose the country where your business is officially registered outside the UK, then continue. Next, you'll be asked to select your legal business type. Pick the option that matches your company's structure, such as sole trader, limited company, or partnership, and continue. Enter a work email address you can access right away, then continue. Head to your inbox and authorize the login from Revolut's message. This connects your email to your new business account. You'll then enter your phone number. Make sure the correct country code is selected so you receive verification messages without issues. Continue and enter the verification code sent to your phone. Create a strong password that you'll remember, ideally unique for this account, and continue. Now add your date of birth, continue, and enter your residential address. Use your real current address to prevent verification delays. Continue again. Search for your business's legal name as it appears on your registration documents. Select it if it appears, and continue. You'll be asked for business details. Provide the legal business name exactly as registered, the company registration number, and the date of incorporation. If your country doesn't use a company's house system, enter the equivalent registration number issued by your local authority. Continue and add your business address, city, and postcode. Ensure these match your official records. To speed up review, then continue. You'll now verify your identity. Continue and choose the type of ID you'll use, such as a passport or national ID. Follow the on-screen prompts to capture the required photos and start the short video recording to confirm liveness. Make sure you're in a well-lit environment, remove any filters, and frame your face clearly. After you've submitted everything, Revolut will review your application. Once verification is complete, you'll land on your business dashboard, where you can explore features, add team members, and set up accounts and cards. And that's it. Your Revolut business account for a non-UK company is underway.